Okay, let's get Torch. I'm gonna tell them we got Torch. Hopefully they get Wolf. We got Torch. I can't. Okay, whatever. I give up. Okay. You're a Luna one trick. Are you actually?
Widow. Oh, is Ray queuing currently? Is this Ray? It's not Ray. Is it Jaco?
Are we gonna really run 3 supports?
All I ever wanted to do was sing, really.
Can I just get a normal?
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Master, can I have a second tank, Master?
Oh, it's so annoying. Why can't I just do?
What'd you hiccup?
It's in our blood.
Normal.
How was that?
Why can't I just have a normal game?
That's what I'm saying. Master, please. Second tank, Master, please.
Please.
All you need to do is capture
I don't want to play another match. I don't want to play another match. I just.
Wait, Turtles, how was your Luna last game?
I spy some bad guys.
How'd
I
it
just
go?
want a normal team up. Just a normal match.
Thanks so much.
Oh, we won.
I am healed.
If you stay in that room, Widow, you will die.
Looks like the mission area is yours.
Nice.
Should maybe go down instead of playing up top. Okay. Well, Red, you're jumping down. We're down. Wait. Are you psycho? You were crazy.
I didn't want to just give them point for free. They have 2 tanks. It's gonna be so hard to get it back.
We have 1 tank and negative damage and too much healing.
Even if we get a pick, like Adam either reses or they still have 2 supports and 2 tanks, so it don't even matter.
Go bottom. Go bottom. Go bottom. Good. Go bottom.
Oh, it's Captain Coach. Is Tripix here? No.
Go bottom. 2 points.
Thank you.
I need assistance. I like the cold. Your powers are mine. I am ready to put on a show. Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
Oh, fuck, I'm dead.
I was worried.
Oh my god, the Luna was literally one.
Watch me soar. Do I throw like a girl?
Strange is behind you guys, like blocking heals.
I am ready to put on a show. Who is behind you, my ally? Sorry, we need you back.
By the eye of
I'm clapping the strange. Strange, 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 strange.
Fuck me.
Can we get off Mantis? Can you get off Mantis? We got off of what's it called now? Please.
Boss, I'm scared.
All I ever wanted to do was sing, really.
should have gotten off. I 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 should have gotten the fuck off.
Get ready.
Yeah.
Be your best self.
Oh, Turtles is second tanking. Let's go. Oh my god, it's Mintberry Crunch.
My helmet is
I actually like him on Loki.
intrusion.
I like Mintberry Crunch.
So I have learned. This world is full of dangers I could never have imagined.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Every
1 and 2.
price. My debt is deep.
Be your best self. Perfect.
That port.
Girl like a girl. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Hey, you wasted res.